Welcome to DatabaseMart's channel. DatabaseMart's Serverless LLM is a simple, reliable, and affordable platform for running AI models. In this video, we'll guide you step by step, from creating an API key to deploying an endpoint, calling the API, and managing your services. Step 1. How to create a dedicated endpoint. First, log into the DBM control panel and click Create API Key to generate a new API key for subsequent API calls. In later requests, use the HTTP header authorization, bearer API key for authentication. Before using the service, please make sure your account has sufficient credit. Please go to the Billing and Payments page and follow the instructions to select a suitable payment method and complete the recharge. Next, let's create a dedicated endpoint. Under Dedicated Endpoint section, select the appropriate GPU model and click Create. Enter the endpoint name, choose a model, and then click Confirm. The system will begin deployment, and within a few minutes the endpoint status will change from pending to active, indicating that the endpoint is ready for use. Step 2. Enjoy your dedicated LLM API. The LLM API interface we provide is OpenAI compatible, so you can choose your favorite method to use your dedicated model. Here are 3 popular usage methods. The first method is to use curl to call your LLM API. Open a terminal or command line tool and run a command like this, making sure to replace it with your own URL, API key, and model information. You will receive a JSON response containing the generated output from the model. The second method is to set up the request in Postman. Open Postman, click New in the top left corner, and select HTTP to create a new post request. Enter your dedicated endpoint's API address as the URL. In the headers, enter this information. For the body, use JSON format with a structure similar to the curl example, including fields like model, messages, max_tokens, etc. Finally, click Send, and you will see the response results. The third method is to use Cherry Studio or any other chat client that supports OpenAI-style APIs. Open the Settings page, select OpenAI, switch it to On, and configure your API key, API host, and models. Then, click the assistant message icon in the upper left corner to return to the chat window. Choose the LLM model you want to use, and you can start asking the AI questions. Step 3. Manage your dedicated endpoint. During usage, you can manage your endpoints anytime through the control panel. Click the Manage button to open the overview page, where you can view the dedicated endpoint details, including product name, endpoint ID, URL, GPU information, and more. Click Transaction to check billing records, showing how many credits were consumed by your API calls. Scroll down to Hardware Metrics to view hardware performance graphs of the GPU instance. Finally, click API Metrics to check the API call frequency and success rate. That's the complete process of using DatabaseMart's Serverless LLM. By following these steps, you can quickly set up your own LLM inference service. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, save, and share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.